Guwahati, for the first time in the history of its 76 years of existence, Assam Cricket Association is hosting a test match in Guwahati starting from 22nd of November. India is playing South Africa, which is the second test in the series. So this match is getting much more importance because India is trailing by 0-1 and everybody is watching this match. It is a great occasion for Assam as well as for entire Northeast to have a test match at a venue which is within their domain. For getting this test match, Assam Cricket Association, although I am not an office bearer of Assam Cricket, but on behalf of Assam Cricket, I am a representative of Assam Cricket Association in BCCI. I would like to thank from the core of my heart to Mr. Jai Shah, who after a lot of persuasions from our side has permitted to host this test match. So we started this process in the year 2019. Maybe on 31st of July 2019, Assam Cricket Association for the first time requested BCCI to allot a test match because till that time Assam has already hosted several numbers of ODI matches as well as T20 matches, but there was no test match being played in Assam. Earlier few multi-day tournaments involving East Zone and foreign teams were played in Guwahati, mostly in Nehru Stadium, which was the first venue in Assam, but from 2017 onwards, all the international matches are being hosted in this ACA Stadium at Barsapara. So we thank Sri Jai Shah, who at that point of time was the secretary of BCCI, and thereafter when he became the ICC chairperson, it has become much easier for him to support Assam Cricket Association. And on behalf of entire Northeastern Cricket Associations, we thank Jai Shah for allowing us to host not only the test match but also 2 months ago the World Cup matches involving the women's. The ICC Women's 50 overs tournament was also being conducted. That was also first of its kind in Assam, and now the test match. And with holding this test match here, I am sure a lot of young cricketers will get encouraged to play the cricket in a much more better way, and a lot of encouraging things is going to happen with hosting of this match. It has already created a ripple across the breadth and length of our state as well as other northeastern states. So I hope that this test match will not only attract the people to the stands but also have some positive impact on the upcoming cricketers' career in cricket. So far as the match is concerned, the match will start at 9 a.m. because we have to prepone the match by half an hour considering our geographical location of Assam. We have early sunrise, early sunset. Therefore, instead of 9:30, which is the normal time for our country to start the test match, we are hosting it at 9 o'clock. And you have already come to know that for the first time, tea will be taken before the lunch. So for 2 hours session, it will start at 9 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, the first break after 2 hours. And instead of a lunch break, we will have a tea break for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes break at 11:20, the second session will start. It will be over at 1:20, and that will be the lunch session. So the lunch break will take place at 1:40 till 2 o'clock. And from 2 o'clock, the final session or the third session of each day will take place. So it is fixed from 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. So that is the schedule. On the first day, the match will start at 9 o'clock. So the functions will start around 8:30. Both the teams will assemble. Toss will take place. Then thereafter the national anthem. And there are few small events being organized like exchange of toss, presenting the toss coin to the visiting captains, then signature of the official portrait of the stadium. These are being done as a part of hosting the first or inaugural test match in Guwahati. Otherwise, in normal test situations, these events are not part of the regular course of action, but as Guwahati is having the first test match. So these two events will be part of that presentation of the toss coin to the captains, as well as signing of the official portrait of ACA Stadium, Barsapara. It will be followed by ringing of the bells, and the match will start at 9 o'clock. So far as the crowd is concerned, the gates will be opened at 7 o'clock, 2 hours prior to the start of the match. And tomorrow a detailed press conference will be conducted by Assam Cricket Association for the benefit of the people who will be coming to the stadium. In that press conference, the detailed road linings, the parking places, the other requirements regarding what can be brought to the stadium, etc. All these details will be presented by Assam Cricket Association to the public through another press conference tomorrow.